Hi, welcome guys to the 19th module on how we can actually motion our class Kinect past 7 figures. This is the 19th module and we're going to talk about ladders, framework, and 7 belief. Now the belief ladder. 7 belief our prospect must solve before they are ready to buy. Every objection trace back to one or more of these beliefs being absent. Build them through Socratic dialogue and the prospect close themselves. 7 belief required to close. A zero objection when all are built. Method, which is the Socratic self-led prospect close themselves, two-path problem first or goal first. Inevitable decision when all belief present. The 7 wrong belief ladder, which is first is pain, second is cause of inaction, three is desired, four is trust, five is no doubt, six is support, seven is money. Addressing the last, you address first. All 7 beliefs must be built during discovery. When all are present, the close becomes a natural, almost inevitable outcome, not a push. The core goal, when done correctly, the prospect effectively closes themselves. You're not forcing a decision, you're guiding them to it. Every objection can be traced back to one or more of these 7 beliefs being absent. Use skillful questioning during consultation to build actually each patient in belief before presenting your offer. Socratic dialogue, how it works. Ask thoughtful, strategic questions that lead the prospect to arrive at conclusion on their own. This makes the decision feel natural and self-directed, rather than being pushed. Consistency bias. When prospects verbally express that they all the 7 keys believe, they're not just telling you, they're convincing themselves. One of the strongest drivers of human behavior is the desire to act consistently with one's own statement. Result. Psychology difficult for the prospect not to move forward. Most top closers rarely face objection. They've done everything correctly before the close. The two consultation approach. Part A, problem first. Part B, goal first. First of all, start by identifying your prospect challenge and pain before moving the solution. Identify the problems and gap, digging to pain and impact, amplify cost of inaction, then introduce desired solution. That being goal first. Start by exploring desired outcome before surfacing the gap between current and ideal states. What do they want to achieve? What's keeping them from it? Surface the hidden gap. Build urgency around the gap. Pain one, the foundation. If there is no problem, there is no sales. The prospect must believe they have a problem keeping them from what they want. Provide case studies, guarantees, testimonials, and proof that directly mirrors the prospect own situation and objection. 6. Support. Spouse and partner buying. People around them will support the decision to invest and take action in themselves. This belief directly presents the classic "I need to check with my spouse or partner" objection from derailing the close. Address this proactively during discovery. Is your partner on the same page about making changes in this area before presenting price? Or maybe you could say something like, is the partner at the end of the day taking the actual decision on whether they're going to lose a weight or not? Or is it by the end of the week, month, years on your end to actually do it? 7. Last one, money. Address last, it often resolves itself. They must believe they have both capacity and the intention to invest in solving the problem. The belief is the best address last in practice once the other 6 core beliefs are firmly established. The money conversation often resolve naturally. If financial means exist and all other beliefs are built, the close happen on its own. If willingness to invest is missing, after all other beliefs are solid, this annuls the perceived cost of saying the same isn't enough. Yet, return to the genuine cost of inaction. Red flag objection, missing belief trigger. Every objection can be traced to a missing belief. Identify which belief is absent, rebuild it, and the objection dissolves naturally. I need to think about it. Pain and cost of inaction. They don't feel the urgency, the gap between current and desired state isn't painful, not yet. It's too expensive. Missing belief is cost of inaction and desire. The perceived value of change doesn't yet outweigh the perceived cost, reinforce the ripple effect of success. I've tried it before. Missing belief is trust and doubt. They don't see why your method is different. Return to the two-layer cells, method first, product second. Now isn't the right time. Missing belief is cost of inaction. They believe the cost of waiting is lower than the cost of acting. Make the long-term consequence of delay vivid and real. I need to ask my partner. I need to ask my partner. Missing belief, support. This was not addressed during discovery. Proactively qualify partners' alignment before reaching a close and actually ask those questions. I don't think it will work for me. Missing belief, doubt, and trust. Share proof that directly mirrors the situation, case studies, testimonials, and guarantees starting to the exact situation and objection. Pre-close belief checklist. Before presenting your offer, confirm all 7 beliefs are built. When all boxes are checked, the prospect is psychologically ready. The close is a formality. They have the pain. They know that they need to actually do it, or otherwise it's going to cost money. They desire it. They trust you. They doubt that it's going to work or not. The support from their family is correct, and they actually have the money. Everything in there is basically the best way for you to close patient because they know, they trust, they actually know why they need to do it. The support from others is correct. So there is no way you cannot close somebody if all of these boxes are all set up. The consultation process flow. Phase 1 discovery. Use Socratic dialogue to uncover and build all 7 beliefs. Can be done in any order, but bold path leads here. We also have a script for you guys to actually do it the Socratic way. Phase 2 pitch. Present method first, then product. Reinforce belief built in discovery. Address remaining micro doubts. Phase 3 the close. When all 7 beliefs are built, this is almost inevitable. Top closer phase only. Logistic up here, not core resistance. So, pain first. Find a gap, build urgency to credit. Question self-directed close. 7 belief all required. Decision inevitable. Method first. Buying approach, then product. Money last often resolve itself naturally, and consistency decided they must act on it. Every objection is a missing belief. Find it, build it. The close take care of itself. So thank you guys for listening to the video about these 7 beliefs and the actual ladder. As always, thank you guys for listening to the video, and I'll see you on the next one. You can always book a call down below to see how it can actually help you scale your clinic. And as always, thank you guys for listening to that video. We can always DM us at Motionair on IG, and we are going to be happy to actually respond to your question. As always, thank you guys for listening to that video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.